The first thing to do is to investigate if there's any buildup on the contacts of the cartridge or inside of the tone arm. A common eraser on top of a pencil is usually able to remove light oxidation from the terminals. It's also possible to use rubbing alcohol to clean the contacts inside of the tone arm, but never lick the contacts on the back of the cartridge, as it will corrode both the contacts of the cartridge and the tone arm. If you're inside a club experiencing some troubles before your set, keep in mind the tip of DJ Angelo. Just use a cigarette filter and some vodka. And last but not least, remember there is a procedure which usually remedies this issue. Place the cartridge into the tone arm and apply firm, steady pressure. Turn the locking nut in the opposite direction, as if you were loosening the cartridge to remove it. Continue to turn the locking nut until you feel the cartridge being forced out of the tone arm. If you continue to turn the locking nut, the cartridge will be popping back in the tone arm with a clicking sound. At this moment, tighten the locking nut in the right direction and the cartridge should be seated optimally.